Hey everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the Baby Lips Color Edition Lip Balm. Baby Lips, they're the Baby Lips, and these are the Baby Lips New Bright Collection, which is a limited edition. And you want to get it if you love tinted lip balms, like good tinted lip balms. So they come in three colors. I have two of them with me. One is Neon Rose and the other is Tangerine Pop. And I kept this just like this to show you the packaging, like the outer packaging, what it looks like. So the outer packaging looks like this. It comes in this cardboard with like lips made over here, Baby Lips Bright written over here, and it in the center, like side, and then behind you have like the things it does for your lips. I'll just read it out quickly for you. Translucent. The next generation of lip balm is born from Maybelline New York. Adult strength care for baby soft lips in vibrant translucent colors. Translucent color and shine infused with pure color system for a translucent bright. Where did it go? 6-hour continuous moisture formula with vitamin E and jojoba oil prevents to shed away rough dryness for supple, smooth and cushioned lips all day. So that's what it says it does. And now let's move on to the review. First of all, I really like their color selection. Their packaging is color coded. Like this is neon pink, so it's in the neon pink casing, and this is tangerine pop, so it's in the tangerine case. They have like kind of translucent color, as I said. It's a tinted lip balm, and 6-hour moisturization. It comes for 150 rupees. For how many grams? This is how many grams? 4.5 grams, which is a lot of quantity, because this, and it's a lot of quantity, just a lot of quantity. How much? I don't know. 4.5 grams, that should say. It has a mild fragrance, which is not too overpowering, but it's sweet. It smells sweet. Somehow it smells sweet to me, so it's nice. Okay, like they both have the same fragrance, and it's a translucent color. It's a tinted lip balm, and it nourishes lips crazily, and it gives a good color. The color is buildable, so if you want like really bright color, you can go womp 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 womp, or if you just want like, oh, it's a nude color, womp womp, and you're done. So the color is buildable. The third color, I don't know which, pink peony, I guess that color is, but I have two of these. Like it comes in three, I have two, which is enough because I'm a lip balm addict. I have like so many lip balms, like Carmex and Nature's Co and Vaseline, and I don't even remember names. That's how bad it is. Okay, so this is irritating me. Go away. So it still is here. Yeah. So these are really nice, and the other Baby Lips, they're right now available for 99 rupees, but they don't have any color. If you if you want just a flash of color, this is really good for college going girls, because you just do it and you just go out of the house, because it has color also. But if you are looking something to wear underneath lipstick, this is not something you're looking for, because this does have a color of its own as well. You would see the lip swatches now of both of these. I don't think I need to show you demo. It's just a lip balm. You just go like that, alright? So no demo for this. So the lip swatches, I think, are enough to show you what the color is like, and I hope that you guys can see what it looks like on my lips, because I have pretty pink lips. Like, I'm not saying they're pretty, I'm saying like they're pink, okay? Like they're pink. Even I have to apply even if I apply a nude lipstick, it comes out to be pinkish looking. So which is like, at least I want a good nude color, man. What wrong did I do in that? So such are the miseries of life. So this is good if you want something that like just a nice splash, like wash of color, and you can go out of the house. This is a really nice option at an affordable price. It moisturizes lips very nicely. It's very handy. The packaging is very secure. It won't come off in the bag, like that only. So it's a good option. Plus it's color coded, so you can know which color you are picking up. You won't get confused or anything of that sort. So I really recommend these Baby Lips color edition, like Brights edition, if you can get your hands onto it. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, then please rate, comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.